Okay, so students, let's work a little bit on synthetic division and make sure we have this down, because as we go past synthetic division, we're going to continue to use that in Unit 3. That's called synthetic substitution. So whenever you divide things, you have to remember you have two terms you're working with. You have two terms you're working in. One is the dividend and one is the divisor. So let's first look at the divisor here. Divisor is 1 minus x. So we have to think about that. Well, 1 minus x is equal to 0. I add x on both sides. I add x. And then I get x equals 1. So remember, 1 is the solution that we want to use when we're dealing with synthetic division. But you first have to do that. Now, let's look at the dividend. Very first thing to do, we want to put it in standard form. So the highest exponent, 3x to the 4th. Let's see, minus x squared plus 2. Now you have to see if you have any missing terms. Well, I am missing an x cubed, and I am missing an x. So those are going to get placeholders of zeros. So let's write 3. My placeholder here is 0. Right here is -1. My placeholder here is 0. And then 2. Don't forget the placeholders. They will mess you up sometimes, so make sure you do it. Remember, I bring down the 3. There's my 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Remember, 1 times 3 is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. -1 plus 3 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So if I had to write this, if I had to write it in complete form, I go one less than this. This is 4th. So this first thing is 3x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 2 plus 4 over, well, I have to go back right here. It's up to you of how you write it. You can write it as it is, 1 minus x, or you could do -x plus 1. And the answer that I asked from you was simply, what is the remainder? So I was looking for 4. I was looking for 4 as the answer. So that's how we do synthetic division when doing these. So I want you to get used to that. Are there any questions on that?